day of school on online?
Yes, Ya Rab, Ya Rab, Ya Ibrahim. Today will be the last day online. So who are the ones coming back to school?
Me.
Yeah, that's it. Who's going to sit on the desk again?
Teacher.
Who's going to sit on the desk again?
Me.
Who's going to carry the heavy bag again?
Me.
Who is going to have a smelly sticker again?
Me.
Who is going to have that small sticker on the book because he's the first one to put it on the desk?
Me.
Who is going to ask the teacher to eat his sandwich because he's feeling hungry?
Not me.
Who's going to come out on the board and write the answer quickly and have a prize? Khaled is. Okay.
Me.
Who is going to run to the door because he's excited to go out to the lab?
Me.
Who is going to go to Miss Majdurin because he's being naughty?
Not me.
Who's going to go to Miss Majdurin to have a big prize because he's being
Me.
Ya salam, ya salam. You know something? I'm really excited because we are almost done with this online classes. And I'm really excited because I'm going to see you back in the school, inshallah. Unfortunately, you're going to be
I thought it was online.
You're going to be in another class. You are 4th graders now.
Yeah.
You are no more 3rd graders. So you are old enough to act like adults, but still, you are my young, lovely ones that I really like to kiss and
Teacher.
Yes, sweethearts.
يا رب نيجي على 1/9 المدرسة.
Ya Rab, Ya Khalid, Ya Rab. I hopefully, inshallah, and we will all see each other on the 1st of September, inshallah, Ya Rab, Ya Khalid. Because I really miss you. I really, really do miss you.
Me too.
Habibi. طيب.
Teacher.
Yes, sweetheart.
The class will start on
9-1.
9-1 or before or after.
Which class? This class?
No, not this.
You mean
in
the
the
school?
school. Yeah.
Inshallah, Ya Ibrahim, we are hoping that it will start on the 1st of September, inshallah. Zena, give the baby to your mom or something. Yalla, because we're going to start the class. Thank you. Yeah. So, today will be our last class of the science. Of the 3rd grade, because you're going to have next week science in 4th grade. I'm going to keep following up with you. I'm going to see you all the time. So you don't have to worry about that.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Kanar. Miss you.
Miss? Why
Mahmoud.
is this lesson?
Mahmoud, I can see the bed, but I can't see you. Wake up. Mahmoud, up from the bed. Zu'bi. Up from the bed. Aywa, wake up. Yo.
Wake up.
All of you. What is it, Sam?
Why is this the last science? Science is my favorite.
Habibi and Wissam, it's my favorite too, and this is why I love you so much and I like giving you the classes. Now it's only the last for this week because you have a break 1 week before being a 4th grader. So you will have the same class, inshallah. Okay, it's so much fun in the class because we have the chance to do experiments together. We have the chance to go up to the lab. You know, science.
You have just the chance to eat in the class.
No, you can't in the class, Ibrahim. You are a 4th grader now. You will be punished if you eat in the class. That was when you were 3rd grader.
There's coronavirus.
What about coronavirus?
I hate it.
Yes, we all do. Actually, we all do.
Yeah.
We all do. But
I'm gonna wear something, a clothes, like a white bag, and just cover myself so I don't touch anybody.
yes, you will be doctors. This is what doctors wear all the time. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
أنا حتى مش حلبس كمامة.
Ahmed Kokash, because you raised your hand, my lovely one. Ahmed is going to talk. Hold on. Yes.
Teacher, I'm لبست on my phone, on my mom's phone. I tell Ahmed because my brother also has classes.
Yes, no problem.
Teacher, where's my the big gift? Because I have 13 milliseconds.
You know what? When you are fourth grader, I will come to your class and I will give you that gift. I promise, Ahmed. I promise.
Okay.
Khaled, yes,
Abdullah's
honey.
name. Abdullah.
Oh, I keep on remembering. صح أنا معلش يا عبد الله ما أنت بتعرفني because I know you and Ahmed. I know. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes, yes, Khaled.
Teacher, my dad is a doctor, so he wears everything like gloves, this,
See?
and the clothes
And
of
the scrub. Yes.
the
Teacher, can I drink
coronavirus
water?
Quickly because we're going to start the class.
and the hats and everything.
Yes, Khaled. See, so you have the chance to be a doctor. Right. Now I will mute you all because we have to start the class, okay?
Good morning, teacher.
أهلا وسهلا, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna mute you. We're going to start the class. تمام? Bismillah. If you all can hear me, thumbs up. Perfect. We're going to start the screen now. Okay. Yeah. And here we go. If you can all see the screen, thumbs up. تمام. Okay, back again to the class. We are in Miyar International Schools, lucky us. And what we are going to talk about for today is, of course, the sound. We previously talked about how it is a form of energy, how are the vibrations causing the sound to move from the source of the sound until it reaches our ears. And we also talked about how we can make the volume higher or lower, or sorry, we make it louder because we're talking about the volume, how to make the volume louder in different ways. Today, what we are going to talk about is called the pitch. It's called the pitch. We're going today to understand what do I mean by the word pitch. The key words or the objectives is, as I told you, to know how high and low sounds are, to know the size of the vibrations and how those vibrations affect what we call it the pitch. Now, the words for today, you remember the word cloud that we used to have in the class? Okay, so we are going to talk about those. Low pitch, high pitch, and frequency, okay? And let me check. Wissam, hi. Hi, Wissam. You're most welcome. But yeah, so let's see. Okay, so if I am going to talk about the pitch, we hear the sound pitch. What do I mean by the sound pitch? It's, you know, like everyone have a different pitch, or everyone has a different pitch than the other. It's just like the tune of the sound. It's when I'm talking, yani I have that kind of sound. And it's when you feel someone talking next to you, like, for example, my little baby, when she talks to me, she keeps like, so you feel that it's really, really, the tune of the sound is really sharp and edgy. So it feels that that kind of person, which is my baby, has a really sharp sound. And you feel that my dad has a really that calm sound. He talks deeply. Like when I feel my father is talking, I feel like he's talking deeply. Okay, so this tune of the sound, the different tune of the sound is what we call it the pitch of the sound. Okay? Okay, so it is when you can hear it, it's how sharp or deep you can feel the sound around you. Sometimes you can actually change the pitch of your sound while you are talking or sometimes in singing. When I go like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, those, you feel that I'm changing, I'm going like up and down somehow. Those are what we call them different tunes, and they are responsible for changing the pitch, okay? Now, whenever I'm talking about the pitch, we have to know something. When we are talking about the pitch, we're talking about the vibrations, okay? We are talking about the vibrations. Now, I will try to draw it for you and show you how when I change or when the vibrations are being fast, okay, that means I have a high pitch because the sound is traveling really, really fast. So that means I have a high pitch. When the sound is traveling slowly, that means that I have a low pitch. Now, let me just draw them for you, if you please. Okay. I will stop this one and hopefully, okay. Yeah. So what I want you to see is the following. You can all see the screen with me, right? طيب تمام. I want to draw it for you. I'm not so good in drawing with my mouse actually, so you have to يعني figure it out. If we look at the following, if I say that this or those are waves, okay? They are not going to be that good, so just look at the amount of waves that I have. Okay, I'm not that good. علينا إن شاء الله. طيب. Okay, and I want you to look at the following. But now I'm going to ask you one by one. Okay, so I want you to raise hands. I want you to raise hands. Where do I have more waves? It's okay that they don't look that perfect actually, but I want you just to look with me. Where do I have more waves? More waves. Yalla, I have two participants that raised hand. Let me see, who are they? عندي وسام. يلا يا وسام. Khurshid, tell me, who has more waves, miss?
The one down.
More waves. Down or up? Up, exactly. So the one that is up is the one that have more waves. So this is the one with more waves. Okay? No, I need a text. What do I? Sure. Okay. I can tell that this one. Hold on. I'm actually trying to write down something that's not working. I don't know why isn't it working. بعدين. طيب. Anyway, this is the one. Here we go. This is the one that has, we'll write it down, more waves. When I have more waves, that means I have a higher frequency. A higher frequency means that I have more waves, okay? Here we go, higher frequency, okay? When I have a higher frequency, the frequency is the more waves I have, the higher frequency. Frequency means how much from the same thing I have more. يعني I have 1 wave, 2 waves, 3 waves, 4 waves, and so on. So when I have higher frequency and I have more number of waves, this is when I say that I have a high pitch. Okay, is that clear? Well, I'll try to make this one in another color for you. I'm not so good in writing actually. Let me see. Here we go. Okay, here. Oh, it didn't work. It all became red. Anyway, okay, so what we need to know, when I have more waves, faster waves, okay, it's when I have a higher frequency and it moves faster, a higher frequency in the same time. What you need to know about it is the fact that here I have at the same time fast vibrations. When the vibrations move fast, that means the pitch will be higher. the pitch will be higher, okay? Is it understood till now? Please let me know. If you understand, please thumbs up. Great. Zaina, wake up ya Zaina. Zaina is sleeping beauty. Aurora. طيب. Now, again, when I have more waves, that means I have a higher frequency. That means my vibrations are moving really fast, causing me to hear a high-pitched sound. A high-pitched sound is a sharper sound that you can hear with your ears, okay? It's a sharp sound that you can hear with your ears, okay? Type. Let's go down. Let's go down. We can see. Oh, Khalid, you have a question, sweetie. I'm so sorry. Yeah, ليش هيك صار? Yes, Khalid.
Answer this one, teacher.
Yes, honey, tell me.
I want to answer.
Answers, yes, tell me.
This teacher, what I forgot. What is the high frequency? The high frequency is
Tell me. Honey, remember the frequency is the more number of waves I have, I say I have a higher frequency. Yani when I have repeated waves, when the waves are being repeated, this is what we call it the frequency. It's the number of waves that I have, okay? So in the picture that you can see, up we say we have a high frequency because we have more waves, right?
Yeah.
If we said, pay attention with me, Khalid. If we said up, we have more waves, okay? So the frequency is higher because they are being repeated very fast and the vibrations are being fast. So that one caused a high pitch. Let me look at the one below. Yalla, try to tell me. First, do we have more waves or less waves?
less waves.
Tamam, less waves. That means a high frequency or a low frequency?
Low frequency.
حلو كتير. A low frequency means a high pitch or low pitch?
Low pitch.
Tamam, see how you are a scientist now? That means my vibrations are fast or slow?
No, slow.
Ya salam, Khalid. Excellent job. Exactly. This is what I want you to know. It's all about the waves, honey. When you look at the pitch, it's all about the waves. I don't look at the amplitude of the wave. La, I look at the number of the waves. The more number of the waves I have in the same area is what I call it the pitch, is what tells me all about the pitch. If I have more number of waves, that means I have a higher pitch. If I have less number of waves, that means I have a low pitch. So if we said about the other one, here we go. Let me just put the text in here. Yeah, if we said that here we have less waves, right? This is what Khalid told us. Less waves means a lower frequency. Isn't that right? Sorry. Lower frequency. A lower frequency gives me a low pitch. And the low pitch is caused because of slow vibrations. Tamam? Okay. Fine. Let me see the chats here because I think someone has a question or something. Let me check. Teacher, I see you only. Farah, you can't hear me? Why? Okay, anyone has the problem that he cannot hear me or something? Please send me. But it's only Farah. Farah, check the settings in your account. So let me see. Chats again. Yusuf Fayumi. Yusuf, you can hear me or you can't? I'll be waiting for your answer. So that was what you actually need to understand about the frequency and the pitch. Oh, I can. Good, good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for telling me. This is Miss what I want you to know about the pitch. Again, the pitch depends on the number of the waves. What the number of the waves is called the frequency. When I have more number of waves, that means I have a higher pitch. Because it has a higher frequency. When the vibrations are being more, that means the vibrations are moving faster. When the thing is vibrating faster, I have a high pitch. A high pitch is the sharp sound, okay? When we go down and we look at those kind of waves, we can see that they are moving slowly. When they are moving slowly, that means I have less number of waves. So it's a lower frequency. If I have less waves, that means lower frequency. That means I'm having what I call a low pitch. Okay, let me check the chats again because there's a video we're going to see. Okay, Mira, good morning, sweetheart. Wissam, how our high pitch is okay. I want to drink water, Zena, go drink water. I can hear you, but I cannot see the waves. Oh, you cannot see the screen. You cannot see the screen. Miss, can you all see the screen? You can see the whiteboard screen? Ibrahim, you can? Okay, Khalid, you can see the screen? The whiteboard, you can see it? Okay. Okay, you can see the screen. Type, that's good. Type. So this is what I want you to know. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. Okay. So that was again what we used to say about it when I told you that here I have, let me just find out my pen, yes. Type. When I used to say a high-pitched sound is caused by fast vibrations, we said the fast vibrations give me more number of waves, okay? And the low pitch are caused by slow vibrations, so they give me a less number of pitch. Ibrahim, what is it? Why is your thumb down? Tell me. Ibrahim, unmute yourself.
Not down. It's not down.
Ah.
Can I drink water?
Quickly.
Okay.
Yeah. Type. Here is a video that we're going to watch about the pitch and the sound, the different musical instruments that actually make a different pitch. So we're not going to have it from here because it doesn't work. So we will turn it on from the YouTube. Hold on, it's not working. Oh, it's here. In a moment. Don't look at my account. Yeah, here. You can all see the screen. Thumbs up if you can see the screen. Perfect. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. And the big idea today?
Type. I want you to pay attention. We will keep on stopping the video on each part so that you can understand. Pay very good attention, please, and listen to what that man is saying, okay? Yeah, it's really interesting.
Sound and how sound changes. Through science, we've discovered that the faster something vibrates, the higher the sound or pitch.
Hear that? The higher, or the faster something vibrates, the higher the pitch. So if I have fast vibrations, that means I'm having a higher pitch. Let's see who wants to chat. Yes, again, I sent it by mistake. Okay, something's wrong with my dad's iPad. I'm so sorry, ya Farah. We know this video. Yes, I know you know it, but you need to be reminded by that video, Mr. Shuja. Yeah.
The slower something vibrates, the lower the sound or pitch. I can show you with my voice. La. My vocal cords are vibrating slower. La. They're speeding up. La. Speeding up. La. They're moving really quickly, so the
This is what we're saying. This is what I told you. A sharp sound is the one that have the high pitch. And a deep, calm sound is the one that has a low pitch. Okay? So whenever you feel there is a sharp sound that's really, really being noisy, this is a very high, this is a high pitch sound. Okay? Yeah.
pitch goes up. I can't show you that through my throat, but I can with these neat little demonstrations. I have rulers fastened to the tabletop. I have a guitar. I have a xylophone, and I'm going to fill a bottle of water to show you that science at work. So let's use these rulers. Again, the slower something vibrates, the lower the sound or the pitch. I can even see that ruler moving slowly. Well, the faster something vibrates, the higher the sound or pitch. Low, high. Slower, faster. Let's check out the guitar.
Did you see that? Did you see how he was actually making the rulers vibrate? When the long one was vibrating, it has more particles inside it, if you have seen that. So when it has those more particles to vibrate, it's going to be a little bit slower than vibrating a small part of the ruler. So when a small part of the ruler vibrates, it will vibrate faster. When it vibrates faster, it can make a higher pitch. But when I used to have that long ruler vibrating, that meant that it's going to vibrate slower, having a low pitch sound. Let's move to the guitar.
Let's see if we can make that pitch higher by making it vibrate faster. The pitch goes up.
Did you see when he was pressing on the guitar? He was making that to make the string length less. So when he was pressing here, that means this is the only area that is vibrating. When he was going there, that means all that amount of string is vibrating. So when you make the string shorter, that means you are helping in only that part to be vibrating. Yeah.
Faster it vibrates. Now, let's try the xylophone. The sound and the pitch go up because that's vibrating much more quickly. This is vibrating slower. Slower. Vibrating faster. Now, the water.
Again, what I want you to know is when I have more particles, that means I'm going to have more particles to vibrate. That means I'm going to have slower movement of the vibrations. When I have less particles, that means I will have less time to vibrate all the particles. That means they will be vibrating faster, okay? Having a higher pitch.
What's making the sound in there? Well, I'm blowing across the bottle and the air inside the bottle is vibrating. Slowly. Let's make it vibrate more quickly. I'm gonna fill it up with some water. I have some blue food coloring just so you can see it. Now let's try. Oh, you could hear the pitch.
Remember when we made that in the lab? Remember what happened to me? Remember when I was blowing inside those little tubes with the red coloring? And when I blew inside the one that is filled up, remember what happened to me? Exactly, this is what's happening. So I want you to see how the pitch of the sound is getting higher because there is less amount of air inside, okay? When I have less amount, it will vibrate faster, causing us to have a higher pitch, okay?
Go up, the sound goes up because that air is vibrating faster. Let's fill it up even higher. See what it sounds like.
You can hear the
that air
sound.
inside is vibrating really quickly, so the pitch is higher. Science is so cool. Don't forget to check.
That's absolutely right. Science is so cool. Let's go back. Okay, so that was the video that you have all seen together. We have all seen together. Again to the chats. Jane, also you cannot hear me. What's wrong? Farah and Lujain, please check your settings, okay, or the device that you have in your hands, please. Habibi, I'm so sorry. Today is the last one. Let me see. I have to take those chats. Shuja, you can. Perfect. It's good to know. Khalid, you have a question. Hold on. Unmute yourself.
Teacher, I was not hearing you, but now now I'm hearing you because I did the button. It's not hearing.
Right. This is why. Yeah. Right. Remember when we made those instruments once I told you to make them? Okay. So it's good to have them again if you'd like. Okay. I'm not going to go any more than that. This is all you need to know about sound. You knew what sound is. You knew what volume is, and you knew what a pitch and frequency is. Wissam, heads up, head up. Aywa, no sleeping in my class. Okay, so we know all those three parts about the sound. This is all you need to know about the sound for now. That was our last class of science for 3rd grade. Inshallah, next week we will all see you, Ya Rab, in school. We'll have 1 week only, okay? And I will enjoy looking in your eyes all again. Let's see Zainab. Question time. Yes.
Teacher, that's the last week for 3rd grade.
Yes, this is the last week of being 3rd grade. That's absolutely right. If you'd like to say something, anyone, unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself now.
Teacher.
Yes. Hold on, Shuja.
Thank you because you gave us the science classes in these 3 weeks, and we had fun with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shuja, for being a great
Teacher.
student. I really enjoyed teaching you this year. Yes, who is it?
Teacher.
Mira Banna, tell me.
Okay, are you gonna be our fourth teacher in grade 4? Or are you gonna be our teacher or no?
I really wished for that, Mira, but I'm so sorry I'm not. But there is a great teacher that's going to teach you in 4th grader, and she is great. She's my friend. Don't worry about that. You're gonna love her.
What's her name, teacher?
Her name is Miss Anne, inshallah.
Anne?
She's really nice. Yes, Khalid.
Nice.
Teacher, I said this
Khalid,
in the
unmute
chat.
yourself, sweetie. Unmute yourself.
Teacher, maybe they will tell you that you come teach for 4th grade sometimes.
Well, if I have the chance to come and visit you, I will definitely do. So don't worry about that.
Because you remember when the because you remember when the French, when we was having French, the French teacher of 2nd grade that I was having was teaching me a lot.
See, that's good. Sam Farshid, tell me.
Teacher, are we going to be in the same building or switch buildings?
Hold on, Wissam, we're going to switch buildings. Wissam.
Will there be a lesson
Will there be a إيش?
a lesson on Thursday?
On Thursday?
Yes.
No, this week, خلاص. This is the last class of science online. Inshallah, we'll go back to school next week. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, I said in the chat I'm hugging you.
Oh, hugging.
It's still here.
Right, Habibi, we have to finish the class. I really hope that Tuesday will come really fast, which is the 1st of September, to see you all. You know, unfortunately, we have to stop the hugging and kissing at school because we have to be extra safe about the virus. Even yourselves, yani even if you miss a friend or something, it's better not to hug and kiss. You can like wave hands from far away.
Yeah.
Okay. And have like a kind of proof to hug or kiss from far away. So I really want to take you in my arms, but it's better not to because of I want to keep you healthy and safe. Okay, Khalid, what do you say?
Yesterday, it was yesterday.
Hi, teacher.
Khalid is talking. I think we have to hear him. Miss, respect, please. Khalid, last thing to say.
Yesterday,
Teacher, I really love science class.
I love you. Khaloudi.
Yesterday is it was my friend's birthday. Yeah, I didn't hug him. Do you know what?
Oh.
I just said hi and I went to.
Yes, that's absolutely right. That's absolutely right. وسام ايش بتسوي يا وسام؟ ارحمنا. طيب, I have to say bye for all of you. Okay? From far away. See you next day. Bye bye, my lovely ones. See you. Bye bye. Bye, honeys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.